Here's a video on the Pontian Christmas Carols, which was requested by somebody. Just a quick lesson. I'll quickly go through it first. So starting on a backward bow movement, on the rappan side, playing double chords, and then dropping the second finger with playing double chords on the rappan side. So first it's no fingers on the backward, so starting backwards, that's backward, and coming forward, dropping the second finger. So now swiveling over to the other side, the zill, with no fingers, and then dropping the first finger. So swivel, and then it's and then you can tremble it as well. So keeping the first finger down and trembling the second. So trembling the second but lifting it at the last minute. Or forward, when you're playing forward it's tremble, on the backward movement it's just the first finger. So that's the next bit. So you can either go, you can either just do that, second finger on the rappan side, two fingers and then first, or you can tremble the fourth on the middle finger, so keeping the second down. So that's the easier bit, or you can go the little bit more difficult, trembling on the fourth finger middle chord. Now the next bit is second finger on the rappan side with two chords, touching two chords, and then keeping this fourth finger down, so you're not lifting them at all, and it's going to sound like this. So it's a bit of a drone, playing on the rappan side, playing the two chords with your bow, and second finger on the two chords and the fourth on the middle chord. And you can just jump at the last minute. And then it's swivel over, only playing the rappan. So lifting the fourth finger, keeping the second finger down, but we're going to swivel and only play the rappan chord. So it's and then it's and then swiveling over and playing the two chords together with the bow, dropping the fourth finger, and then we can either go jumping on the first, or we can keeping the first finger down on the two chords on the rappan side and trembling the third finger on the middle chord. So you're just lifting both fingers, so it's so sort of half bow movement, lifting the first finger. That's one bow movement, and back with the no fingers. So I'll do it from the start. The next bit last bit of that we know, so it's just the first bit. So keeping the first finger down and trembling the second. Forward, this is a forward excuse me, bow movement. So back is no fingers. Then fourth, second, first finger. So that last bit is second finger only on the gapan, and then the second only on the gapan, and then just bringing it over and touching the two chords. And that's pretty much it. I'll do it one more time. Hope that helps.